morning is, today we'll be solving this mental maths book. Now, you just open your book, Mental Maths 1, page number 2. You can keep your copy to do some rough work if it is required. Or you can do sideways where the places are given, but the answers should be written the blanks provided in the book. Because when I'll correct the book, I'll be taking only book, not your rough works. That is for your own reference you can use. Is given dash divided by 49 is equal to minus 1. So what it will be? Minus 49. Then only we will have revise quotient as minus 1. Is it? So this first blanks you will be feeling minus 49. The square of 7 is 7 size is the 49. Minus 3 square. Now see, minus 3 square minus 2 cube. Minus 3 square will give you 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 minus 8. Is it? So it gives you 9 plus 8, 17. So answer will be 17. Why it is minus 8? You see the power is even. So answer will come positive. Power is odd. So answer will come negative. There was a minus already. So minus plus. So 9 plus 8, 17. Look at number 4. It is given 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus dash. Now both the sides difference should same. Now we get the difference of it. LCM is 6. 3 minus 1. This is 1 by 6. So this side also difference should be 1 by 6. What should be subtracted from it to get 1 by 6? So 2 by 3 minus x is equal to 1 by 6. What to do? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 is equal to x will get. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 gives us LCM is 6. 4 minus 1. That gives you 3 by 6 or 1 by 2. It will come. No, something is wrong. 2 by 3. This answer should come if I subtract 1 by 2 from it. 3 2 is 6. 4 minus 3. 1 by 6. Yes. So the answer is 1 by 2. Is it? So when we subtract, we'll get answer this. Now, next is 4 is to 7 proportion with 64 is to dash. 4 is to 7 is a proportion is equal with 64 is to dash. How to get 4 to 64? 4 into 4 into 4. It gives you 64. So 7 into 7 into 7. So this will be 343. This is question number 5. The coefficient of x in 7xy is 7y. You have learned leaving that particular term, other terms are coefficient. 8 whole 1 by 3% of rupees 168.48 is rupees 14.04. How? You just see 25 by 3 into 100 into rupees 168.48. Now with 3 we'll cut it. It gives you 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Now 25 into 15.16, it will be giving you 1404 by 100. So it gives you rupees 14.04. Next one, if A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 0, then 3A cube minus 4BC square plus 3AB. Now place the values. A is given 2. So 3 into 2 cube minus 4 into B's value is 3. C's value is 0. Plus 3 into 2 into 3. So this gives you 3 into 8, 24. Minus 0. Plus 18. So this gives you 42. Question number 8. Answer is 42. If x% of rupees 150 is 90, then x is x by 100 of rupees 150 is equal to 90 rupees. So x is equal to 90 into 100 by 150. 0, 15, 6, it is 60%. Number 9 is 60%. The value of x is 60%. 0.625 expressed as a fraction and its lowest term 0.625, I can write it in the fraction 625 by 1000. Now cancel it with 25, 25, 25 is a 625, 25 40s are 5 5s are 5 8s are. So this gives you 5 by 8. 2.89 divided by 1.7. Just only I have taught you beforehand. If divisor is having decimal, we multiply with 10. So this gives you 28.9 divided by 17 or 17. Now you see 2, 8, 9, 17. 17 ones are 17.7. So it gives you 1.7. Answer is 1.7. That is question number 11. Number 12. 8 to the power 0 and 0 to the power 8. 8 to the power 0, that is 1. And 0 to the power 8, that is 0. So 1 into 0, that is 0. Answer is 0, number 12. Come to question number 13. It is given 9 by 8 divided by 3 by 16. So 9 by 8 into 16 by 3. 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 6. Question number 13, answer is 6. 14, you have to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. 2 6 are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are. So this gives you 13 by 12. 1 whole 1 by 12. Number 15. 3.26 into 0 into 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8 and 2 10, 4 3s are 12 and 1 13. 2 digit 13.04. This is the answer. Number 15 is done. 16. 1.3 into 0.4. 13 4s are 52. 1 2, so 0.52 is the answer. Number 17, 0.1 into 0.01. Answer is 1. 1 2 3 digit we need, so we'll place 2 zeros before 1. So this will be 0.001. If k is equal to 8, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, then mn by k, m's value is 3, n's value is 2 by 8. So 2 4s are 8. It is 3 by 4. The measures of two angles of a triangle is 45 and 80. Then the third angle will be 180 minus 45 plus 80. 180 minus 125 degree, or this is 55 degree will be the third angle. If one angle of right angle triangle is 45, then the measure of third angle is number 20. It is a right angle triangle. So one angle is 90, one angle is 45. So other angle also will be 45 degree. This is answer of number 20. Now what you have to do, you have to finish the next mental maths 2, page number, complete mental maths 2, page 3 as homework. This has to be completed by you. The next day we'll do mental maths 3. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.